In today's video, we will be talking about Canva Magic Studio, how to create a magic design. Now, a magic design is part of the new feature, which is the Magic Studio, and there are three types or three versions for the magic design. You have a normal version, as you can see here, a magic design for a presentation version, and a magic design for a video. Let's go try them out one by one. Let's go first with the basic version and simply click on Try Magic Design over here. On this version, by the way, you will be able to type your idea or vision in a few words or upload your own media. The Magic Design will generate a collection of custom templates for you. Then you could apply your broad kit and many more. So let's click on Try Magic Design so that we could test it out. As you can see here, this is our Magic Design over here. We could produce either templates or projects. So let's say I would like to have a waterfall theme to spelling design. Then you will be able to see some templates over here. There we go. And this is the magic design part over here. This will be the generated output. These are the different templates that are already existing in Canva. But the magic design will be above here. As you can see, it is labeled by the new and the name over here as well. And there we go. These are the different designs that are generated by the magic design, as you can see here. Now, this technology is new and improving, so please report template that doesn't seem right, as you can see here. And it's a very good design, as you can see here. Now, going back, let's go check out the different version or the other version, which is the magic design for presentation. It's the same process. You will be able to describe your presentation in a few words. Watch as a magic design lays out a perfect slides based on what you told it. So let's quickly click on try, and we will be redirected to the presentation, as you can see here. And this is how it works. As you can see, simply click on the search bar on the left toolbar, which is this part over here. This is our search bar. Then write a pitch for a meeting. Let's try out this example over here. A pitch for meeting free lunches at work and or other at work. Let's click on enter. Then as you can see here, you have your instant presentation feature over here or option. There's also this magic design option over here. So we can click on see all for the magic design. And these are the different designs that are presented to us, as you can see here. Then you can also click on our presentation, which is, for example, you could pick one that you like the most. For example, we could go with this one. You can click that. And then you can simply click on apply to all 7 pages, just like that. And there we go. We were able to apply our feature, the magic design, into our presentation very easily. Then our last one, which is the magic design for studio, we could select that. And for this one, it's very similar. You could start uploading your images, videos, or both. Select the clip and enter a short description about your video, and the magic design will generate the rest. And it will even perfectly sync a track to it. So if you have a music or if you use a music in Canva, it will sync the video or even photos. So let's click on Try Design, and we will be redirected to this part here. Then you're simply going to select the different photos that you have uploaded yourself. Let's go with very simple photos, maybe this one, some AI generated photos from before. And you can simply give it a montage of clips. Or it depends on your preferences. You could describe any type of video that you want. Mine is just very basic, but for you guys, you could try something more complicated than what I am trying. So it depends on how you would like to approach this. But as you can see, it's generating our video. And there we go. We can already see it on the background over here. So let's simply wait for it to open. And there we go. Then you can simply click on play. Let's actually lower our audio over here. Click on volume. Let's lower it to 3. As you can see, it will create a very simple video. Of course, it's based on the prompt that you have entered. But that's it, guys. That is how you will be able to use, or those are the different magic designs. If you enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.